What's going on, everybody? Captain Granite back here again with a new moto vlog. I wanted to do this as a talking head video, but you know what? It's so damn nice out. Going for a ride. I'll talk about it on the way. Everyone knows about the whole coronavirus going on and the impacts and all the concert cancellations and everything that's going on right now. So I'm here to talk about Laconia Bike Week, of course. Is it canceled? Not quite. Not quite. So the date's still set in stone for the week of Father's Day. And with that, you know, it's coming right up. It's within 2 months from now. And they still haven't given word on whether or not that date is actually going to stick. What they're saying right now is they're going to evaluate what's going on at the end of this month. So the end of, what's April? Yeah. April? Yes, April. I don't know. I've been quarantined for so long, I don't know what day it is. So at the end of April, they're going to come back and say, okay, it's either going to happen for Father's Day week, like normal, or it's going to be the week of August 22nd to the 30th or whatever. It's that week. I don't have the date set. I'll have it up on the screen here. So that's the fallback date. My question to you guys is, do you think they should keep the regular date, or do you think it should be pushed? Honestly, I'm on the fence about both. I like where it is because it's just tradition. That's where it is. Moving it to the August date, you know, it's okay. It's actually during my birthday, so it's like a birthday bike week celebration for me. Let's celebrate the captain. So here's the downside that I think that goes along with this. So you got a bunch of people canceling because of the coronavirus, right? Okay, so you're gonna lose a good chunk of people, I think. And then you're gonna have people that come regardless, but they're still gonna be on the fence. I feel like, you know, it's always packed. When you're walking on the little sidewalk, you're bumping up against everybody. But the issue is, moving into August, you're gonna have all these people that planned for it for Father's Day week that now have to cancel their plans, and if they can move their vacation to that week to come up for this to happen. And I'm gonna guess a lot of the people won't be able to do so. So you're gonna be losing a bunch of people that way too. I see it as a lose-lose situation regardless, and it hurts the community around us, and it really sucks. It really does suck for the whole community. Now, do I feel like they can find an alternative to this whole situation? It's hard because it's the 97th annual bike weekend for Laconia. 97, that's huge. I mean, it's not the 100th, but you're getting there. You're now 3 years away from this. Well, 2 years technically. But I digress. In my honest opinion, I feel like it's a lose-lose whether you go with the normal date or the August date. I think you're gonna have people not show up in an unbelievable amount. Like, it's already been dead for a couple of years now. I think this will be icing on the cake. I think this could really put a hinder on not only next year's bike week, but I think it will have repercussions for the 100th. And, you know, it's nobody's fault, you know, unless this was cooked in a lab, but who knows about that. So I really do think that bike week this year is going to be a rough one. I'm still going to go, regardless of what date it is. I'm going to be smart about it. I'm going to use common sense when it comes to being around people. Oh yeah, Headless Bub is here, riding along with us today. He's on his Honda Shadow Phantom, and he's pretty worried about Bike Week 2, I believe. He doesn't really know what date to really go with it. But yeah, this is just a quick video about Laconia Bike Week. You know, it's something that needs to be said as we get closer and closer to this due date of when they're going to announce, you know, whether it's this date or this date. So many questions are in there, but I want to know, for all the people that are local that are thinking about coming up to this, what date would you prefer, and are you going to go? So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and be sure to hit that like button, hit the share button, hit the subscribe button. Those all help me out in big ways, and we're still pushing for that 1,000 subscribers this year. So until the next one, this is Captain Granite. Catch you on the next one.